Of course, we all know Central Perk is the iconic location of Friends. Medyo may kamahalan siya pero wala kaming choice. So ito yung in-order namin. Joey Special na $22 made of pepperoni and cheese pizza. And we also ordered the Chandler Hazelnut and Caramel Latte. At ito naman yung Phoebe Cookies and Cream na ice blended. So let's try. So try ko yung pepperoni. As usual, salty. May talaga sa salty dito yung mga taga LA. Ang salty-salty ng mga food nila. Pero, masarap naman. Well, that's ang normal pepperoni and cheese pizza na medyo mas salty than the usual pepperoni and cheese. Yung crust niya soft. Hindi thin, hindi rin thick. Pwede na if you're into pizza. Hmm. Sarap. Masarap siya. Maganda yung pagka-blend ng cookies and cream. Hindi siya ganun katamis, which is okay for me. Siguro nga mas matamis to pag may whipped cream. Pwede na. Normal price. $7.50. Hindi ko alam kung mahal yun dito sa States. Pero ganun usually yung mga nakikita naming price ng lahat eh. So ikaw, kumusta ang hazelnut sa'yo? Ah, good. Good ang hazelnut sa kapatid ko. So, order the Chandler and the Phoebe. If you're not that hungry at hindi lunchtime, I suggest you just order the drinks because they're good. But the pizza, just the usual.